Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Turn on your urban audio speaker and make sure it shows a blinking blue LED. Unlock your phone and open Bluetooth settings within 2 minutes of powering the speaker. Keep your phone within 30 ft of the speaker and remove physical obstructions between devices. Put the speaker on a flat surface about 3.5 inches from walls when possible. Charge both devices to at least 50% before pairing to avoid interruptions. Disable wired headphones or 3.5 mm cables so Bluetooth becomes the primary audio path. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and scan for a device named Urban Audio or UAXXXX. If your phone asks, allow location access briefly to improve scan reliability during the pairing process. Select Urban Audio in the list and confirm pairing by entering 0000 if prompted on the phone. Wait up to 90 seconds for the phone to show connected and the speaker LED to steady blue. Play a short test song at low volume to verify audio routing to the speaker. Increase volume gradually to a safe level once you confirm stable playback. If pairing fails, restart both devices and reduce distance to under 10 ft before retrying. Forget Urban Audio on your phone and rescan to remove stale profiles before a fresh pairing attempt. Reset the speaker by holding power and volume plus for 5 seconds to clear previous pairings if issues persist. For best range, avoid crowded 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi hotspots and Bluetooth congestion near routers and microwaves. Place the speaker elevated and centered in the room to improve line of sight and signal strength. Update firmware with the official app when available to fix connectivity bugs and improve stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.